Form Titan video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to make any of your field elements read only. So the read only field function for your elements. And it might be some time where you need to make a field read only. I'll give you a quick use case now. So let's just take date and time element here. And I'll say that use current date and time. So what this will do is if you save it and preview it, based on your time zone, it will pull from Salesforce or Form Titan itself. It will tell you what your date and your time is. And a use case might be that you don't want the user to go ahead and amend that time because you really are looking to record the specific time they've entered their data. So what you do is you select the element, and under the advanced section, you can just check read only. And that's all you have to do. And once you set it to read only, if you save and preview it, it's going to record the data of how it is, but I can't really amend it at all. I can't do anything. It's completely disabled. So that's how it's done. On any element, it doesn't really matter, whatever the element is. You can just simply click on the element, go into the advanced section, and you'll find read only there for you. So that's how it's done. Thank you for watching this.